You know what I forgot? Forgot to fix this up for free. So we're gonna do this real quick so you can see that is open up. The other side is not too bad. So just gonna see if we can do this real quick without painting it. So we'll be using a heat gun for this one. So heat gun. I'm gonna start heating up on the outside. You can't put too much heat in one area because it's gonna melt and the paint is going to going to ruin it. So we're gonna go to the right here. Start with the outside. This doesn't have to be perfect because this is free service. And if you're looking closer, this one will start moving. So I'm just gonna hit this up. Start coming out. This one you might need to push this one because it's really bad in that corner. But I'm just gonna start slowly. Put some in the middle. I'll heat up this side. This one will start moving too. Put some in the middle, and then put the outside. This one I actually move a little bit. This one is moving too. Alright, so I got most of them out. Just a little bit down here. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna cool it down for a little bit. I'm gonna go snap this back in. As you can see, they're not too bad. They're not, so we can just like lift it up and hopefully we can just snap it back in the same spot. See, okay, that went in pretty good except for the last one here. I think that's it. That's not too bad. See, that's not too bad. So we have the last one here. We're gonna go ahead finish it up here. With this one, just gonna use this extension bar to push it out while heating. that's pretty good. I'm not gonna make it perfect. Still warm. We need to cool it down. And then I'm gonna wipe this off and see how it look like. Some degreaser. Clean it up. Alright, let's clean this up. See what it look like. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Of course we didn't paint it, but I think they'll be happy about this thing. Check this out. Quick fix on this one. Nothing too crazy. I think before and after for a free job, free work. Check it out. Not too bad, right? And look at this side. That's good. And this one is not too bad. Still a little bit dead in here, but I'm gonna leave it like that. We're not getting paid for it, but make the customer happy, right? Alright guys,